not only to animal welfare, not only to animal protection, but to animal rights.
If you're in favour of human rights, you have to be also in favour of animal rights, and I'll tell you why.
I am here today for every mammal that yearns to carry and give birth to its young. For every fish and creature that swims and dwells.
What can I say? In my personal opinion, no one should get an award for doing what's right, if you know what I mean. Picking up a dog or...
Because I think I literally was blind before I joined ARAN. I wasn't aware of half the things that are going on, all the abuse that's happening in Ireland and worldwide. Look at my hand, it's shaking. But if it wasn't for ARAN, or John Carmody is my real inspiration. And I think this award, I want to dedicate it to him because he's the best, he's my hero.
There's no excuse for animal abuse! 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 J Deboo at the front. There's no excuse for animal abuse. There's no excuse for animal abuse! It's time for animal rights! There's no excuse for animal abuse! It's time for animal rights! There's no excuse for animal abuse! It's time